Hi, my name's Owen Evans, Chief Inspector at Estyn. This is Datgan, our way of communicating with you what we're up to. I hope it's useful. Biggest thing I think this month is the fact that we published our annual report. Same as usual, we're chunking it up so it's quite easy to get to, hopefully a little bit of value, but we'll also have things like our thematics in summary and some hot topics as well that hopefully you'll find useful. AI is a big topic at the moment. We've done a lot of work on, both internally and externally, looking at how education is adapting and how AI is creeping in. It's got its pitfalls, it's got its dangers, but it's definitely got its uses as well. So we're looking to you guys to tell us really what you're using it for, because we're really looking for best practice out there. We've had a couple of Estyn lives, so if you didn't catch them and you're interested in additional learning needs or transition and people progress, please do have a look at them. And we've also launched a campaign, More Than Inspection. This is about the fact that we've taken our website and hopefully made it easier to use, with a lot of information actually that's quite supportive hopefully for what you're doing. The link will also be available through Hub. So I hope it's useful. As ever, if it's not, please let us know. Diolch.